Hi kids, this is Mrs. Essary. I really miss you. I hope everyone has been having a break and doing some e-learning and working, but also having some downtime and getting some exercise and having some fun while we're staying at home with our families. So this is my very first video, so please bear with me. I wanted to show you guys a new math activity that I'm going to be sending out via email to your parents. We were going to be starting this the week of March 17th, so I'll send one out to you now. And it's called Chop It. So it uses 2-step word problems, but then you chop them in half to make solving it a lot easier. So let me show you the first one, and I'll read it out loud to you. It says, Lucy baked 22 chocolate chip cookies and 23 oatmeal cookies for the bake sale. She wants to put the cookies equally onto 9 plates. How many will she put on each plate? Well, guys, we're going to chop that. So let's do the first part. First, how many cookies, first goes right here. How many cookies did she bake all together? So I'm going to look back at the sentence and look at the important information and underline it. So I'm going to mark 22 cookies. So I highlight that because she did 22 chocolate chip cookies. And you want to remember what kind of cookies? Chocolate chip cookies, and 23 oatmeal cookies. So how many oatmeal cookies, guys? 23. So we're going to mark 23. And that's all we're going to do. We're going to stop, and then we're going to look where it says first. How many cookies did she bake all together? So we need to add that up, guys. So I'm going to use my number bonds for this. So we had 22 chocolate chip. So I'm going to write CC for chocolate chip. And then I'm going to do a number bond with 22. And I'm going to show you how. Here's my number bond with the big number for chocolate chip. And I'm going to draw 20 and then a 2. Because 20 plus 2 equals 22. Now she also had oatmeal cookies. So now I'm going to put OM for oatmeal. How many oatmeal cookies did she have, guys? 23. So I am going to draw another number bond with 23. And I'm going to divide that into part and break it up into 20 and 3 more. What's that make, guys? 23. Now, are we done yet? No, we've still got to add them up. So I'm going to take 20 and 20. And I say, oh, that's 20, 40. So I write 20 plus 20 equals 40. Am I done yet? No. Now I have to add the ones. So this is where I use my touch points. I cross out the 20s and I add the 2 plus the 3. I add the touch points and I count. And I say, oh, 2 plus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 plus 3 equals 5. You might ask, well, wait, I'm done yet. Well, no, we're not. Now we have to add up 40 and 5. So what does 40 plus 5 equal, guys? I write that out. And I write 40 plus 5 and I add my touch points and I count. So look, I go 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. So how many cookies did she have altogether? 45. So you're going to think, yum, yum. So we solved the first question, but now we have to chop it and do the next part. Up here we said she wants to put the cookies equally onto 9 plates. So then if I was teaching you in class, guys, I would ask, how many plates, everyone? And you would say, 9 plates. And I would say, good job. So we have to draw 9 plates. So guys, look at that. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 plates. Am I done yet? No. Now we have to put the cookies onto them. Now if you don't know your times, that's okay. Then you have to break it up with dots for each cookie. So watch me. I go 1, 2, 3. Oh, hold on. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then I'm going to keep going all the way up to 45. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. This sounds like we're skip counting by 9s. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Now we're up to 27. 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. There's 36. 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. So now I would ask you guys, what question did we have to answer? How many, that means how many cookies will she put on each plate? Each plate means a single plate. So I look here and I touch one plate and I count the cookies. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if I write it down in a sentence, what do I write? I write, Lucy puts 5 cookies on each plate. And then I'm writing my answer out and I chopped it. So remember, you can answer the first question up here and then the second question up here. And then we have our answer. Down here, here's the next one, talking about Marcus. So I'm going to send this out as an attachment to your parents, guys. And if you want to work on this, you can to practice chopping, but you don't have to, because what you get from your teachers is also very, very important. And I also know a lot of your parents are still working right now. Some are working even more hours, so that's a little harder. Okay, I just wanted to say bye, and I'll miss you guys, and I hope to see you soon.